Stuck with a testimonial quote on your Namecheap site that just doesn't fit your brand anymore? Maybe it's outdated, or it never really sounded like you in the first place. That quote is one of the first things people see, so if it feels off, it can actually hurt your trust factor. In about 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to swap it out for something that feels right. We'll start by opening up your site editor. Then we'll track down the testimonial section and finally replace that old quote with your own fresh text. Simple as that. First, head over to your Namecheap dashboard. You want to find where all your projects are listed, usually under the Website Builder section. Look for the site that has that testimonial you want to change and click the Edit button. Give it a second to load the editor. Once that opens up, you're basically looking at the front end of your site. This is where you can click on pretty much anything to edit it. Now, scroll down to the testimonial section. This is usually on your home page or a dedicated testimonials page. In my experience working with this builder, the text blocks are often laid out in rows. You'll see the quote, the person's name, maybe their title. Just find the actual quote text itself. It might say something like, "Always prepared to answer my questions," or whatever your current one is. Go ahead and click directly on that quote text. When you do, a small editing toolbar should pop up right on the page. It's a very handy way to make changes without digging through menus. If your click doesn't seem to select the text, try clicking a little closer to the center of the words. Once that toolbar appears, you want to click on the text itself again, and a proper text editor will open up. This is your moment. You can now type in your new quote. Keep it specific and authentic. Instead of a generic line, use something a customer actually said, or a short core value statement. For example, something like, "They helped me launch my store in under a week," sounds way more real than highly punctual and professional. Go ahead and type your new text in there or paste it from your notes. When you're happy with the words, look for a continue button or a save button right there in the pop-up. Click that. You haven't published anything yet, so don't worry. This just saves the change inside the editor. Here is the really important part. You have to publish the site to push that change live. Look for a Publish button, usually in the top right corner of the editor. Click it. Sometimes the builder will ask you to confirm, so just hit Publish again. It might take a few seconds to process. And that's it. You've gone from a generic, outdated quote to a specific message that actually builds trust. Now, when someone lands on your page, they see words that match your brand voice and make you look credible. If you want to update the other fields, like the person's name or photo, the process is exactly the same. Just click on them and type away. Thanks for watching.